Hi everyone, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. This episode is a very exciting one because we're gonna be doing a harvest. This is the time when my garden is exploding with produce. And it is just so fun to come to the garden and do some harvesting. The tomatoes are so pretty. So come along with me and we will be harvesting my tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and many more. Look at this San Marzano tomatoes, guys. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. Oh, we got a yellow crookneck squash. Look. Burgundy okra. This Malabar spinach has grown so big. I'm gonna need to trim this because it already got in the path. Next, we're gonna be harvesting some peppers. These are sweet peppers. We're not big on the hot peppers. The only hot pepper that I have this year is one jalapeno plant. And that's all. Ooh, this is big. Look at that. Guys, we are gonna be harvesting the green peppers too. Look at this. Oh my goodness, these are huge. Getting some yard long beans. Guys, the next one is the green bitter melon. We're here in the white bitter melon wall, and we have a few white bitter melon that are ready for harvest. hiding. Look at how big this is. I think it's easier to see them here in the back. This is too small. Oh, there's one down here. This one, I'm gonna leave this on here. Maybe wait for a couple of days. Okay, got 2 more. 7 pieces of white bitter melon for today's harvest. Not bad at all. And let's get a couple of okras. And over here in my second batch of cucumbers, look at this guy. A white cucumber. Isn't it amazing? It's my first time to grow a white cucumber. And I'm so impressed with this one. This is pretty cool. Over here, we are harvesting a couple of white eggplants. These are the Casper Eggplants, guys. Look at that. And we're harvesting some moringa leaves for soup. Next, we're gonna be harvesting some beans. This one's a little bit challenging because it's already hot. So I'm gonna do my best to do this as quick as I can. And hopefully I will not miss a lot of them. Ooh, they're hiding underneath the leaves, guys. I hope you enjoyed this harvest video. I will see you again next time.